Bitcoin crosses $71,000 as BTC ETFs see $880 million inflows. Japanese crypto exchange raises $320 million to recover funds after major hack. WorldCoin suspends Spanish operations amid data protection probe. FTX reaches $200 million settlement with IRS on tax bill. Watford FC to make 10% digital equity shares offering via Republic platform. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading higher as investors stay optimistic and the market participants remained optimistic too regarding interest rate cut decisions by the US Federal Reserve. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, surged near $71,000 resistance levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 3.1% at 90,880 points. Interestingly, US-based Bitcoin exchange-traded funds saw a significant influx of funds totaling $887 million in combined net inflows, marking one of their best-performing days. Based on statistics from Farside Investors and X account Hold 15 Capital, the Fidelity-Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund led the race with $378.7 million in inflows, closely followed by BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust at $275 million. Moreover, Bitcoin futures trading has seen a significant increase due to a shift in market sentiment towards bullishness. Matrixport, a prominent digital asset player, noted that Bitcoin's funding rate has been positive in recent weeks, indicating a positive trend. Separately, several US-listed Bitcoin miners booked substantial gains led by Core Scientific, 40% surge following a deal with cloud computing firm CoreWeave to host artificial intelligence services. In another news, the native token of the BNB Smart Chain, originally started by crypto exchange Binance, advanced 7%, approaching its all-time high record price and surpassing $100 billion in market capitalization. The token is benefiting from increased Binance launch pool and launchpad activities where users can lock up BNB to participate in airdrops and new token launches. Furthermore, Coinbase's Layer 2 blockchain base has reached an all-time high in total value locked over the last 90 days, outpacing competitors like Arbitrum and Optimism. Base's TVL increased by 465% from $1.3 billion to $7.41 billion, outpacing Arbitrum's 13% and Optimism by 12%. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.63 trillion mark, increasing 3.2% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 23% to $92 billion. According to recent data, Solana has witnessed a significant increase in daily active addresses, outpacing the combined number of Ethereum and Bitcoin. In the last few weeks, Solana's network has continuously maintained over 800,000 active addresses, reaching the milestone of over 1 million active addresses. This significant expansion highlights the growing acceptance and application of the Solana network. Meanwhile, decentralized exchange Uniswap's governance token surged over 20% during the day following a cryptic social media post by protocol development organization Uniswap's Labs teasing an announcement. Moving on, Ethereum Layer 2 network Starknet's token also rallied over 10% after Starkware, the development firm behind the chain, laid out its vision to use Starknet to scale the Bitcoin network. The token price could come under pressure as some $85 million worth of STRK will be released from vesting next week, increasing its supply. US stock futures were trading higher as market participants focused on private payroll data while analyzing the latest corporate earnings. Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures gained 0.1%, S&P 500 Futures rose 0.2%, and Nasdaq 100 Futures rose 0.4%. Bitcoin was trading at $70,872, up 3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.2%, trading at $3,797. BNB was up by 10.6% to trade at $700. Solana SOL was up by 5.3% and was trading at $173. Cardano's ADA token was up by 1.2% to trade at $0.46. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $36.4, higher 4.8%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2% to trade at $0.71. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 3% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading up by 8.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, up by 1.5%. Polkadot was up by 3.2% to trade at $7.2.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. DMM Bitcoin, a Japanese crypto exchange, recently hacked for $320 million worth of Bitcoin, plans to raise 50 billion yen or $320 million to compensate users for their losses. In a statement issued on June 5, DMM Bitcoin explained that it would recover stolen customer funds by procuring an equivalent amount of Bitcoin from its group company DMM.com. In the statement, DMM Bitcoin assured users it would take care to minimize market impact with the planned purchases. The company also explained that its investigation is ongoing following the unauthorized outflow equivalent of 4,503 BTC on May 31st. DMM Bitcoin deeply apologized for the situation and its effect on its customers and stated that it would continue to investigate the cause of the unauthorized outflow. The Spanish data watchdog announced that WorldCoin has legally agreed not to resume its activity in Spain until the end of the year. On June 4, the Spanish Agency for Data Protection said the Tools for Humanity Corporation, the company behind the human identity and financial network WorldCoin, will not resume collecting and processing data until the end of 2024 or until final resolution of an ongoing investigation. Currently, the Data Protection Authority of Bavaria, Germany, BLDA, is investigating the organization regarding its treatment of personal user data. According to the announcement, the BLDA is actively moving the investigations forward and is expected to have a conclusion soon with a final decision that is aligned with all concerned European supervisory authorities. Bankrupt crypto exchange FTX reached a tentative agreement with its largest creditor, the United States Internal Revenue Service. According to a June 3 filing, the exchange and the IRS agreed to settle a $24 billion tax dispute. The IRS initially claimed FTX owed more than $44 billion in taxes, but the amount was later reduced. The settlement depends on the court's approval of FTX's reorganization plan. Under the settlement, the IRS would agree to resolve its $24 billion claim, receiving $200 million in priority tax claim paid within 60 days of the plan's approval. The tax authority will also collect $685 million as a subordinated claim, which gets paid after customers and other creditors. The deal covers all tax claims until October 31, 2022. According to FTX, the settlement reduces litigation risk and increases certainty regarding creditor and customer recovery. The professional English football team Watford Football Club, commonly known as Watford FC, is initiating a digital equity sale comprising approximately 10% of its shares. The nearly 150-year-old British football team has partnered with digital investment platform Republic to facilitate the equity sale, which will be available on the platform and on Cedars, Republic's European platform. According to an announcement, the capital will be used to fund the team's trading initiatives, particularly in the men's first team, as well as for new players' recruitment, coaching, and development of the Watford FC brand. To the digital equities offering with Republic, Watford FC aims to attract a wide range of investors and allow fans to own a piece of football club. Investors will be able to purchase digital equity shares in the football club, tokens, and exclusive offers. The fan tokens received by investors will become tradable in the future and offer true ownership to fans, according to Scott Duxbury, the chairman and CEO of Watford FC. And now let's go to Shikhar to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Solana. Solana, the fourth largest blockchain in terms of total value locked, is becoming a leading network in institutional adoption. Financial institutions are integrating with the Solana blockchain to future-proof their offerings, according to Robinson Berkey, the CEO and co-founder of Wormhole Foundation. PayPal also recently expanded its PayPal USD stablecoin to the Solana network, enabling users to conduct inexpensive transactions using SPY USD. Visa also launched its USDC on the Solana blockchain in September 2023. Solana is among the most scalable blockchain networks capable of handling large amounts of transactions with a theoretical throughput of about 65,000 transactions per second with an average transaction cost of $0.002. Analysts are expecting that with major partnerships like Visa, Stripe, Shopify Pay and PayPal, merchant and institutional adoption of Solana is likely to grow. Next on the list, we have Luna. Cryptocurrency advocate James Murphy believes that the settlement between the US Securities and Exchange Commission and Terraform co-founder DogeCoin is a positive development. The legal expert highlighted the report of an agreement in principle following the SEC's case against DogeCoin and Terraform, alleging they misled cryptocurrency investors before the 2022 collapse of the stablecoin Terra USD. The Luna community reacted positively to the news, leading to a surge for the Terra Luna ecosystem's native token, Luna. The altcoin has gained over 80% in the past 7 days, breaking above the notable resistance. The settlement agreement offers renewed hope to the Terra Luna community, as reflected in the token's resurging prices. Next on the list, we have Base. Coinbase's Layer 2 blockchain, Base has reached an all-time high in total value locked over the last 90 days, outpacing competitors like Arbitrum and Optimism. Base's TVL increased by 465% from $1.3 billion to $7.41 billion, outpacing Arbitrum's by 13% and Optimism's by 12%. The growth on the chain began after the implementation of EIP 4844 in March, which introduced a photo shank, a dank sharding, and reduced gas costs on layer 2s like Base. Coinbase's smart wallet also aims to provide a seamless transition for users from centralized exchange accounts to on-chain dApps through account abstraction. Next on the list, we have BNB. Binance Coin, also known as BNB, has reached an all-time high of $708, increasing to 12% in price. BNB, the native cryptocurrency of Binance, is used from various transactions within the Binance ecosystem, including payment for transaction fees and token sales. Launched in July 2017, BNB powers the Binance Chain, a blockchain platform that enables users to create their own cryptocurrencies and digital assets. The coin's continued rise highlights its crucial role in the Binance ecosystem. Next on the list, we have a Floki Inu. Floki Inu has seen a surge in popularity after market maker DWF Labs agreed to purchase $12 million in Floki tokens on June 4th. The purchase is aimed at strengthening Floki's position in the industry, especially during one of its most pivotal years due to the release of several key products. Floki's price has also increased by 69% between the time and in 24 hours, suggesting that the injection of liquidity had a good impact on the token's value.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.